Imagine you've got some extra cash. You know leaving it in a regular savings account is like watching it slowly wither away. You want it to grow, to work for you. But the stock market? That feels like trying to navigate a minefield blindfolded. So, you stumble across this thing called StashAway. Is it your ticket to financial freedom, or just another app promising the moon? That's the question we're diving into today. See, the world of investing has changed. It's no longer just for guys in suits shouting on a trading floor. We've got robo-advisors, platforms that claim to make investing easy. And StashAway is one of the big names in this space, especially here in Southeast Asia. So, what exactly is it? At its core, StashAway is a digital wealth management platform. It uses algorithms and automated processes to build and manage investment portfolios for its users. Think of it as a robot managing your money, but hopefully, a really smart one. Here's the breakdown. You sign up, answer a few questions about your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Based on your answers, StashAway creates a personalized portfolio for you. This portfolio typically consists of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. These are baskets of assets, like stocks or bonds, that offer diversification. Now, here's where it gets interesting. StashAway uses something they call ERAA, or Economic Regime-Based Asset Allocation. It's their fancy way of saying they adjust your portfolio based on economic conditions. They claim to be able to predict and react to market changes, aiming to minimize risk and maximize returns. But, is it really an investment account? In a way, yes. You're putting your money in and expecting it to grow. However, it's not like a traditional brokerage account where you pick and choose individual stocks. StashAway handles that part for you. It's more of a managed investment service. The pros? It's generally easy to use, especially for beginners. The minimum investment is relatively low, making it accessible. The automated management means you don't have to spend hours researching stocks. And the diversification through ETFs helps spread out your risk. But there are cons. You're giving up some control over your investments. You're relying on their algorithms, and like any algorithm, it's not perfect. There are fees involved, and while they might seem small, they can add up over time. And, of course, no investment is guaranteed. Even with their sophisticated models, you can still lose money. Ultimately, whether StashAway is an investment account for you depends on what you're looking for. If you want a hands-off approach to investing, and you're comfortable with automated management, it might be a good fit. If you prefer to be in the driver's seat, picking your own stocks, you might want to look elsewhere. It's important to remember that StashAway, like any investment platform, isn't a magic bullet. Do your research, understand the risks, and make sure it aligns with your financial goals. Consider it a tool in your financial toolkit, not a guaranteed path to riches. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.